Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you how I get my hair ready for bed so I can have that nice volume and the wavy texture, the like beach waves for my locks. So I've already done these, and what I do, so I'm just going to tie that out of the way. I just get a section of hair, here, and then I make it, and then I take that section and divide it into 3 sections, and then I just plait it, just plait it over, under, over, under. Just plait it, like that. Most of us know how to plait. If you don't, Google it. So take a section of hair, divide it into 3 sections. Then I twist it around itself. Then I secure it with a rubber band here. And boom. And there's my little knot. Now I have some nice waves in the morning. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. All right, y'all, I have some nice beach waves in the making. I finished my plaits, take a section of hair, divided it into 3 sections, plaited it up, wrapped it around itself, then secured it with one of my elastic bands here. This is clear, so it's hard to see. There we go. Secured it with one of my elastic bands, and here we go. All right. Give y'all a 360 view. Check out the back. Yeah, so all there's left to do now is just put on my scarf, tie it down, and like so, easy breezy. So I'll put that on there. Put the scarf on. Then I put my little multi-purpose scarf on top for some added protection, so it won't slip or be less likely to slip off. All right, in the morning, I'm gonna take these down. Gonna have some nice wet